Yeah. Yeah. Like mine is only twisted.
I feel so organized. I basically I've sorted out the subject.
Yes, school should learn binomial expansion series first.
Can you talk to our math department and tell them that?
But they will change next year, I think.
Why? Why
This is so
next year?
annoying.
This is so annoying.
They will definitely change next year.
I'll just go through the textbook myself. It's fine. I don't need teachers.
Or maybe the teacher will teach the binomial expansion before.
No, they won't.
Okay.
I don't trust them.
I mean, we're finished. We're done with binomial stuff. Like this term.
Guys, we need to check a random annoying question first. Okay, bye. A random annoying question first. Okay. Okay. You guys can have a look. What is scholarship look like? This question from scholarship exam. All the knowledge is the same as A2. Yeah, we check a single question first. So what are you learning at school now?
Samples and estimation.
Oh, confidence interval. Oh, the unbiased estimation.
Oh.
Okay, everybody check this question first. They say gradient satisfies some condition, like dy dx. Dy dx. You can easily find here dy dx
Recording.
just equals 2y plus x over y. 2y plus x over y. Okay,
What's the coordinate plane?
pardon?
What's the coordinate plane?
Coordinate plane. Oh, just x, y, just here. You don't need worry about what's the meaning of coordinate plane. Just x, y coordinates. Perpendicular means dy dx equals negative y over 2y plus x. Yep, that's after you read the two lines we can have here. Okay. after here. This is a differentiation for implicit differentiation. Okay, they ask you to use substitution. Okay, Hey, Grace, when will you will learn like a complex number?
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. Now they told you z equals x over y, which means x equals zy. Now let's check implicit differentiation. 1 dz dx times y dy dx. Hey, you can use this one. Try differentiation. You can also use this part for here. For here. Okay. Check y over 2y plus zy x zy on. So the right hand side, you simplified right hand side. Hello, William. We simplified the right hand side. X equals z, y. Okay. Yeah, the whole idea. We try to solve this one, but the question give you a hint z equals x over y. We try to use it. If you use it for the right hand side, just very easy. If you use it for left hand side is dy dx. Okay, dy dx is right here, which is that's dy dx. So the question is changed to 1 minus dz dx y over z equals. Okay, guys, try to make dz dx the subject. We try to use the information given to simplify the equation. make dz dx the subject. Okay. Grace, what's dz dx? Oh, you just times z to the other side. So just minus z here. Hello. Move that there on. And you move -1 to the other side. And you move negative to the other side, just change to positive. And then you move y to the other side. It's like a z2 plus z plus 1 times 1 over y. 1 over y just same as z over 1 over y on, same as z over x. Z over x. Yeah, we're checking a question from scholarship calculus. It's very annoying. So dz dx just equals I better print out this question for you. This question from very old scholarship. Yeah, which is question B. Pretty annoying. But for continue on, continue will be dz 2 plus z over z plus 1 times z 2 over x dx. Double check if you understand how we got step by step up to here. The first step we did is right here on. The first step. Original dy dx. First step. The second step, they say perpendicular will be negative reciprocal. That will be the second step. The third step, we try to use the green part condition here. So you can simplify into this. That's the third step. The third step. Step 4. Oh, we try to use the green part here. That would be step 4. We try to differentiate. And we can make a dy dx. Still a lot of algebra. Okay, this is step 6. Because after you got dy dx, we try to simplify it. Dy dx is here. Finally, you have dz dx. Yeah, a lot of algebra, and you make this part on. Okay. The gradient is given if perpendicular -1 over, and we try to simplify. Not easy to discuss scholarship. We are checking this question. Not easy. Too much working, too much working. Okay, yeah, copy down and check if you can understand these steps. Okay. Not easy. For some scholarship question is pretty challenging. Oh. Number 1, 2, just a basic idea. If you got dy dx, which is negative reciprocal for perpendicular. This number 4, number 3. How we got number 3? Because we know y just x is equal to z, y. We know x equals z, y here on. X equals z, y. That's why this x is replaced by z, y. And y is cancelled. That's number 3. Number 4, we try to differentiate both sides. Okay, we try to differentiate both sides. If you differentiate z, keep y. Differentiate y, keep z. Okay, that's and a lot of algebra. Let's check if we can do a little bit easier way. A little bit easier way for the question. Check. We try if you can do a little bit easier way. I'll share this picture. We try to split the question into different parts. The first part, z equals x over y. Okay, check on. We practice differentiation implicit. Or y equals x over z. Now, how we differentiate it? How we differentiate y with x? This z is some idea about the implicit. Yeah. So it's a quotient rule. Oh, double check if you understand this quotient rule. Grace, do you understand this quotient rule? Okay. Yeah, why we rewrite it? Because the reason is this part look pretty confusing. This part pretty confusing here. Okay. Oh, I'll copy down the original question here. It's y over 2y plus x. dy dx equals negative y over 2y plus x. That's the question we try to simplify. After this step, this left-hand side, we tried a different way. This left-hand side, just change to this. Now let's check the right-hand side. Right-hand side, you have an easy way. Just divide by y, all divided by y. Like here. Oh, we just change a little bit for part of the working. Now, still make dz dx the subject. Okay. Oh, make d z dx the subject. Make d z dx the subject. Yeah, we try to finish this question. Okay. Rearrange. Now here, huh? Next step, how we integrate it. How we integrate it. This one, you can revise here on. Your single question covered so much. Now here, can you find A and B? Of course, you know, original question, they told you, huh? They told you what's that. The question tell you was that, integrate. The question tell you was A, right? Was B, which is 2 and -1. The question tell you here is 2, here is -1. Okay. So the question, you integrate got 2 ln x equals, integrate this 2. Here, 2 ln z plus 1. plus C. That's finally how we solve it. Grace, this is too hard. Too many steps. Too many steps. Okay. Of course, not all questions like this. This is just an example. This question from 15 years ago, 2006. Yeah, some student asked me this question. Let's double check a small topic. Yeah, before we learn other more stuff. Let's double check a small topic. The small topic called